y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video.
As you can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you a wig from Asteria hair.
I have been working with them since dated back to 2018. So this is one of those companies that you could definitely trust. If y'all go back on my channel, y'all will see that I have recorded a few videos from them. And actually, one of my friends that got a wig from me using their hair, she actually still has it. So that should tell you a lot about this company. I wanted to do something a little different because these headband wigs are trending and they're kind of getting repetitive. You keep seeing them. I wanted to show you something a little different when it comes to the headband wig. So what I decided to do was I wanted to get a curly textured wig, and I wanted to straighten half of it so you can see what the wig looks like if you were to straighten it, because I don't know if you know, but the reason why I always say that it's an investment to buy human hair wigs, virgin hair wigs, is because of the simple fact that it's long lasting. Not only is it long lasting, it's good quality hair. And so when you have hair like that, you can pretty much do whatever you want to do with it. You can style it the way you want. You can curl it, you can straighten it, you can dye it, you can bleach it. You can pretty much do a lot of different things with the wigs. That's what makes it so versatile. I'm just gonna show you the wig here. I did go ahead and show you that I went ahead and I blow dried the hair a little bit, and I'm also going to show you the tool that I use to go ahead and straighten the hair. Now, when I straightened the hair, I don't think I caught it on camera, excuse me, because my camera went dead in the middle of me doing it and I didn't even know. So when it came to straightening it, I did not straighten it like the bone straight. I just kind of got it in a textured, I could say that this is kind of like a kinky straight blowout texture. Yeah, that's what it kind of reminds me of what I got going on right here. You just want to always make sure you put heat protecting spray on your hair before you put any type of heat to it. But I'm just going to go ahead and throw this wig on. I love, what I love so much about this wig is that y'all know I love these clip-in pieces. Like, I prefer these clip-in pieces over the combs, and this wig has it. It has 3 of the clip-in pieces at the top and then 2 in the back. For me, when I insert these inside of my hair, I don't get much of any feeling like I do with the combs. I feel like the combs kind of pull my hair a little bit more than I would like. But you know, to each his own. Some people like the combs over the clip-in pieces, but I love when they have the wigs like this with the clip-in pieces. But another thing that this don't have, it doesn't have any it doesn't have any adjustable straps. So you want to make sure that you're looking at their size chart to make sure that you're getting the proper wig to fit your head size. So the average size is a 21.5, 22, and I believe that's what this is, a medium average size head. So as you can see, this is going to be the side that is still in that coily texture, which I absolutely love this texture. Look how gorgeous it looks straight out of the box. I didn't have to run my hands on it. As you can see, this headband wig is just, look how flawless it is and how flawlessly it blends with my natural hair already. Like, look at that. So here it is, side by side comparison. So if you wanted to straighten the hair, you definitely can. I didn't straighten the hair all the way. Like, it's still some type of crinks in here. I believe I ran the flat iron through this hair maybe twice on each, you know, each section that I flat ironed. But other than that, I didn't straighten it all the way because I didn't want to give y'all that look. I just kind of wanted to show y'all exactly what it would look like if you were to straighten the hair, and just show you that the hair is capable of being straightened. This is the flat iron that I use to run through the hair, and then this comb right here, I'm telling you, they sell these pretty much at every beauty supply store, and I believe they have them at Walmart, Target, or Amazon. Y'all know delivery services is my thing, and so these can definitely be purchased on Amazon. But this is like a comb chaser. So what this does is it acts as a chaser method for your actual flat iron, for it to straighten out the hair once you run your flat iron through the hair. And it basically helps, you know, the heat get to each strand of the hair without you having to run it through so many times. Just going to take a small piece, and I'm going to attempt to get this a little straighter than what it is. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So y'all saw what it looked like before. This is what we are working with when it comes to the two: straight, curly, straight, and curly. So I know, to answer everybody's favorite question, is the curl gonna revert back? We are definitely gonna see. So that's what we're gonna do right now. This is definitely on the affordable side. I forgot to say that in the beginning. I know that you all are in the comment section and you're saying that you're looking for more affordable styles. This wig, I believe, is going to run you at $170. And I have a discount code as well. So definitely make sure you check the description box for all of the details. Stick around to see the transition of this hair and the cute decorative headband pieces that comes with your order. All right, so as you can see, the curls reverted back. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I am dripping. So I had to go run to the sink because I realized, I'm like, if I spray this hair down with this bottle, it's gonna take too long. Let me just go to the kitchen sink really quick and wet the hair so that it can revert back quicker. And at first it did give it a hard time with the spray bottle, and that's when I realized it's gonna need like some moisture. So I just went ahead and just ran my hair under some water, some warm water, and for a few minutes, maybe not even, I don't even think that was 5 minutes. It didn't even take that long. It was only like a few minutes. And this is what we are working with, y'all. So now you know, if you were to straighten the hair, it is going to revert back. I don't see any heat damage, but of course, like I showed you in the video, I did use a heat protecting spray. So you just want to make sure that that's something that you do so that you won't have to worry about that part. But yes, as you can see, the curls revert back. Yes, Asteria hair. You have basically let us know that your hair is definitely quality hair.